How to add a PDF viewer to Premiere. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a PDF viewer to Premiere. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Premiere, you could also use my affiliate link below the description, where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Premiere, it is a browser-based, no-code website builder and visual design platform that enables designers, creators, and teams to build, launch, and manage professional, responsive websites without needing to write code. It is also combined with a design-oriented visual editor similar to tools like Figma, with full website publishing features, allowing users to crop layouts, interactions, animations, and breakout points directly in the browser. And now to create an account, you can click the sign up button on the top right corner, and after that you can click the login button. Once you already have your account, then fill out the required information. It will ask you some of your personal questions, including tell us more about your brand, what are you going to build, and how much experience do you have with designing tools, and many more. So all you need to do is simply select some of your answer in here, and after filling out the required information, you will automatically be directed in here in the browser of Premiere.com. This is basically what the dashboard looks like of Premiere. And in this pop-up window, it will ask you to pick a template depending on your preferences. We have here for business, agency, resume, and many more. But at this point, you could also create from blank or start from scratch if you don't want any of this template to use. And since you're trying to create here a PDF viewer, I'm just going to choose to start with blank one. Then from here, you can click the plus button to create a new page within this one, in which this basically where we're going to add the PDF viewer. And I'm going to rename this into PDF. So this is now basically our page in here. And on the next one is simply add the PDF viewer. However, upon inserting any of these elements, there's no way we can start adding here the PDF viewer using Premiere elements. But there's an alternative way on how we can do it using this platform called helpsite.com, in which it is a no-code SAS platform that helps website owners easily add interactive, customizable widgets to their sites without any programming skills. So all you need to do is simply go to the widget section after signing in, and you can also start clicking see all widgets. Then you should be able to see a possible widget that you can add to your page of Premiere. But since you're trying to add here a PDF viewer, just go to the search bar and enter PDF and choose here PDF embed, and click here create widget for free button. Once done, all you need to do is simply be directed on the page in here where we can start creating our own PDF viewer. All you need to do from here is to simply wait for it to load, since it might take some time depending on your internet connection. And then from here, all you need to do is to simply select the template to start with. You can choose here any of this, but I'm going to choose this embed PDF file. Click the button below, and you can now start adding the content or upload the files in here. Now I'm just going to simply upload from my computer files the PDF file that I'm going to simply input in here. Now after successfully uploading it, you should be able to see the progress. So again, all you need to do is wait for it to be fully loaded, where it also might take some time on uploading your PDF file depending on the size of your file. Then once done, you should be able to see the file, and you could also enter the name of it. So for instance, I'm going to enter here the name of this file as Daily Planner. And you can even add a preview images to your PDF file if you want to, by uploading it more in here. And now that we add here this sample PDF file in Daily Planner, instead of this, I'm just going to simply delete the sample PDF file in here. So we have here only leave our Daily Planner file. Then click the publish button on the top right corner. Once done, you also need to choose the right plan for you, but instead I'm going to choose the free one. Once done, all you need to do is simply copy the embed code by clicking copy code button in here on this pop-up window. Then go back to our Premiere website and proceed by clicking the insert button on the top left corner in here, and choose here this utility and click embed right here. Upon clicking embed, all we need to do is simply place it directly in this blank page and double click on it to start adding the embed code on the right side panel and just here under embed this HTML and simply paste it directly the code that we just copied. Once done, you should be able to see the result, where you could also start changing the sizes of this PDF file viewer. And as you can see, we have now successfully added the PDF file viewer in here in our primer. You can click the publish button to save the changes, or even customize a lot of things including the opacity of this PDF viewer, the sizes, the width, height, effects of it, and many more. But overall, that is just how you can add a PDF viewer to Premiere. Thank you.